Have you ever wondered what the sea salt popsicle tastes like? Me too, and now you can make your very own with help from Video Game Meals. First of all, you will need some equipment before preparing the ingredients. You can find all the equipment in the description below with links to purchase them. The ingredients will also be listed in the description. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. You can also follow Video Game Meals on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You could even go one step further and contribute to the Patreon page, which also gives you access to some behind-the-scenes content. Now let's get started. We will begin with the sugar syrup that will become the shell to the popsicle. Add blue coloring to the jug of water and mix until it has dissolved. Over high heat, add the colored water with the sugar, stirring until boiling. Transfer the syrup into a jug and leave it to cool down. Now start separating the eggs into 2 bowls. Whisk the whites until fluffy and set to the side. Mix the yolks with the sugar until it's a smooth paste. Next up, over medium heat, bring the milk to boil. As soon as it starts to boil, remove it from the heat and pour the milk into the egg yolk bowl. Add the vanilla extract and mix together. Then return it to the pan on really low heat. Continuously stir the pan until it becomes thicker, almost like custard. Remove the pan from the heat and pour into the egg whites bowl and mix. Add some salt and cream and some blue coloring and mix it through. Transfer the mix into a jug and then pour into the popsicle molds. Place the sticks in and freeze for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, dilute some of the syrup into a taller jug and place into the fridge. This will be used to dip the popsicles and create an ice layer. Carefully remove from the mold and place onto greaseproof paper on a tray and freeze. Put the dipping jug into the freezer too. After 10 minutes, remove both from the freezer and dip the popsicles and return to the tray. Place the jug and tray back into the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and repeat the process about 6 times. Every time you dip, place the popsicles on the opposite side to freeze. You will have a nice even layer of ice on all sides. There you go, a perfect treat for a warm day or great as a dessert. Thanks for watching. Check out all the other great videos by Video Game Meals and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.